Poppin' guys, hey, it's your boy Kenny Cam Doom. I want to drop a quick little tip on you, man. Hey, if you're really looking to get started in real estate and you want to get started in land, the number one thing that I want you to understand is that there's always going to be a buyer for everything. No matter where it is, no matter what it is, somebody's going to buy that if you offer it to them at a good price. And the reason why I said this is because I have a property right now that I listed for sale. And for the life of me, I can't imagine why somebody would buy it. Shit, I bought it, but I bought it like really cheap. I'm talking about like $3,000. And I was thinking that, man, maybe, I was like hopeful. I'm like, shit, well, at least if anything, I can sell it for whatever I got my money into, because it's, the area and stuff like that. So what I ended up doing is I ended up buying, and guess what? Somebody's buying that right now for $30,000. And it's kind of crazy to me. He said he's going to send me an offer or whatever. He hasn't really sent it to me yet. But, we'll see. But it's just crazy the fact that even saying that he will submit an offer because he knows like the property, he's seen it before. It's kind of like a crazy concept to me. So, I just really want to hop on there and really tell you guys this, man. Look, if you're really trying to get started in the land business, definitely jump in, man. You can find the craziest lots, the craziest properties, and people don't want anything to do with them, and they will give it to you for a ridiculously low amount of money, and you can actually, go ahead and buy it and then resell it for a little bit more than what you think it's worth. And that's really what I've been doing this past time. And I just really wanted to hop on here to let you know, hey, if you're in the land business or you're looking to get in the land business, man, definitely do it. And follow my page. I'll definitely let you know tips and tricks, what I do to get deals, how I get deals, so that, you can go ahead and learn along the way and, make some money too. Who knows? We can all make some money together. If you can imagine the amount of land there is out there, there's opportunity everywhere, guys. So come on the wave. Make some money, get in a better financial situation for yourself and your family. Kenny out.